Hey guys, in this video we'll look at how to install R and R Studio on your Windows machine, and it's pretty simple. You just go to Google and just write install R and use the first link. Go to this link and basically use this to install R version. Whatever the latest version is, you should be able to install that on your system. And now one important thing you need to note here is you cannot directly install RStudio on your system. Uh, to install RStudio, you need to first install basic vanilla version of R, and once that is installed, you can proceed with installing RStudio. Let's wait. Now I already have R installed on my system, so once that is downloaded on your system, you just go and execute and install it properly. Now once that is installed, you just write install RStudio for Windows, use the first link, and then just scroll down, and there will be a button which will be indicating that download RStudio for Windows so and so version and size. Just install that. Once that is installed, once the file is downloaded, you again run and execute it, and just follow the steps, follow basic steps. It will ask you, whether you want this or that. Just do next, and then it will be installed. Now once that is installed, so I'm just showing you how to basically open that on your machine. Just type RST. RST stands for RStudio, and just click it. So once you open RStudio, you need to also create a script. Script will be something where you will type all your code. So essentially, if you see the screen, there are four boxes. The top left box is the editor. The right box, the top right box, which is the global environment, contains all the variables, vectors, matrices, data frames or lists which you have initialized in your code. The bottom left is something which you can use to run the code, but it is mostly used for debugging purposes. And the bottom right box is basically shows you the contents of the working directory where you are trying to save your code. So it will show you what different files are present in your folder, what are the other subfolder present, and so on. So I think this should give you a sense of how you can basically install RStudio, and then eventually open RStudio and create a script. Let's say I can just write a simple program. Hi there. To execute the script, you just need to highlight and press Ctrl Enter, or you can the another easy way of executing this is you can be anywhere on this line and just press Ctrl Enter. That way also you will be able to run. I hope this video was helpful.